it is time for me to do something with my hair. So I don't know if y'all can see it in the video. I can kind of see it from here, but my puff is always constantly a different color than the rest of my hair, my roots. So I look a hot mess right now, but that's okay because this is not going to be for long. I was off today. I didn't have anything to do. I woke up, got my nails done, got them this dark, pretty color for spooky season Halloween. It's like the only time I really try to get dark nails is around Halloween time. So yeah, I got like this, it's like a navy blue, but it kind of sparkles in the sun. I really love this color. It's beautiful. But yeah, so it's kind of like a trend for me to dye my hair black around like fall or Halloween time. I know last year around this time my hair was just starting to get like a little bit of length, so I dyed that. I tried to dye it blue black, which I don't know, I can't remember. It was like a box dye and it still didn't come out the way I wanted to. I mean, like, it just seems like my hair does not take color very well. So today I'm going to be using Kiss Colors Tintation. I got this jet black color, and then I also just got regular black. I am getting ready to wash my hair. Well, let me read the directions. So I'm pretty sure you have to apply it on wet hair. Apply Kiss Tintation semi-permanent onto shampoo, towel dried hair, 1/8 of an inch away from the scalp, and process for 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So just like your average, what is this called? Like just liquid hair dye, just your average dye. I mean, they all pretty much come with the same instructions. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. I do plan on silk pressing my hair for the first time really in over a year successfully. I have started to flat iron my hair and then like just kind of gave up and washed my hair because I don't know, it just wasn't turning out the way I wanted it to. But this time, since my hair is a little bit longer, because that's actually been a minute since I've done that. I don't know how long it's been. I have footage of it, but I deleted it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go wash my hair and then I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, so now I am done washing my hair. So oh Lord, oh Jesus. So it's like gel. I use so much gel in my hair, but like you can already see it on the camera, the basic, like how light my hair is on the ends. I don't understand it. Okay, so I have nothing in my hair. I have no conditioner, no nothing. My hair is pretty long. I'm so excited to flat iron my hair. I'm trying to see what this is gonna look like. My mom is gonna trim my hair hopefully. But anyway, back to the task at hand. So those of you who don't know, I big chopped in February of 2018. So it has been a year, really almost 2 years since it's October. It's been a year and some change since I've cut my hair. You know, I haven't really been doing much to my hair this summer. I've just been wearing braids and just wearing it in its natural state. But that's pretty much it. I haven't really done, I haven't flat ironed it or anything. Mainly because it was the summertime. Now it's fall, so it's just now starting to feel like fall. It started to feel like fall 2 days ago, so I feel like that is just the goal. And do my silk press with my hair. So that is what I'm gonna do. So I have a lot more hair than the last time I dyed my hair, so that's why I got these 2 bottles of hair dye. I'm gonna take some gloves. Even though my nails are kind of black, nobody really likes to get hair dye all in their hands. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing absolutely great today. I was gonna get highlights in my hair, but I decided to change my mind. because I just feel like my hair already has like loose curl patterns up towards the front and things like that. So I just didn't want to do that and flat iron my hair. You know, I just want to do one thing at a time. So these are small gloves, and I have small hands, but like I've already ripped it here in the front. I didn't detangle my hair or anything, so I'm definitely getting a lot of shedding right now, but it's cool. So this is kind of like with product, and this is like not with product. So it's all shrunken up still, so shrinkage is something serious. Okay, so just as I suspected, my hair did not really take to the hair dye. The hair dye only really got to my roots. It did not really get my ends, which is the most important part. But I was looking online, and basically I may just have to buy some like permanent hair dye that you mix with the developer and things like that. So I am not going to do that right now, only because it's just really not that important. I need to figure out, hey, I'm gonna flat iron my hair, I'm gonna have black hair. I gotta pick a struggle right now. So right now the struggle I'm picking is to go ahead and flat iron my hair. So that is what I'm going to do. So my hair, I went ahead and used this damage remedy from Aveda. I went ahead and used this on my hair. It's just daily hair repair. So I figured since I'm getting ready to flat iron my hair, you know, it won't hurt to have all the, I guess, protection possible. So I can't find my regular flat iron, but luckily I got this, I'm not flat iron, my blow dryer. Luckily I have this little tiny cute blow dryer that kind of gets the job done, that I got with one of my subscription boxes. I have no idea where my big one is, but this one will be fine. It has a little, it had a little tension come to it, but I just realized my dog chewed it up, so I don't have it anymore. I threw it away because I wouldn't even be able to put it on top of this thing. So if this thing dies, then I'm going to be SOL. So let's pray that it doesn't. So right now, I'm just gonna take, I guess, some sections. Oh Lord. I'm gonna take some Biosilk Silk Therapy. It's kind of like a little serum that you just put on your hair, really like before you put any heat on it. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit. Okay. Also, I read somewhere that people say that your hair is supposed to be like soaking wet when you blow dry it. I don't really understand why, but yeah, we're not gonna do that. But I'm gonna take my paddle brush and just start blow drying my hair. Okay, so this is the first section done. So my hair has grown quite a bit, which makes me very happy and excited. So yeah, it didn't take me that long to flat iron my hair, or not flat iron, but blow dry that section just then. After each section, I'm gonna spray this Aphogee Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my sections off camera and then I'll be back in a little bit. Now, as you can see, all of this is still brown, so I guess from the last time I dyed my hair. Actually, I don't know why my hair grows out like this. I really don't understand why, because I haven't lightened my hair at all since big chopping, so maybe this is how it is. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a middle part for right now. What is in this? It's a pretty straight part. Split it in 4 sections. So I'm gonna be using, this is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. I don't know how many inches this is, but I'm gonna try, I don't know what would be like a safe temperature for heat damage wise. It goes from 1 being the lowest all the way to 50 being the highest. I guess I'm gonna do 30 because that's still kind of hot, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do small sections. So I used to go over my roots with a hot comb first and then do everything else. So I'm gonna grab my hot comb really quick, and then I'm just gonna like make sure the roots are nice and straight. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of my head, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so I am done with the flat ironing process. The ends of my hair are kind of, either they didn't get really straight or they're kind of puffing back up. So, not so much on this side, but I'm gonna grab my scissors and attempt to give myself a little trim just to kind of get the dead ends. Because you're supposed to trim your hair every 6 months, and it's definitely been a long time since I've gotten a trim. So, alright, so this concludes my video. This is my first time flat ironing my hair in a minute, so I'm very happy with how it came out. I just attempted to give myself a trim and made it very uneven over here, but since I wear my hair curly a lot of the time, it really doesn't matter. So until I straighten it again when it's longer, that's when I'll probably have to get a better haircut. But until then, I'm pretty satisfied with the results. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, just leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.